Let's talk about a word you've known forever, a word you probably learned back in your first geometry class, angle. But what if I told you that this simple little word has a secret, that there's a whole hidden story hiding in plain sight right on its Wikipedia page? Well, let's go find it.
Okay, first things first, we've got to clear up a super common mix-up. On one hand, you have angle, from math class, and on the other, angel, the one with wings. They sound almost the same, they're spelled almost the same, and yet this confusion is so widespread that it's the very first thing our source material warns you about.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This is a direct quote. Wiktionary, the source we're looking at, literally has a disclaimer right at the top of the page. You know a word has a story to tell when it needs its own warning label. It's that common of a mistake.
Right, so back to basics. We all know this definition, right? An angle is just what happens when two lines meet up. Think about the corner of a book or a slice of pizza. You get it. Seems pretty straightforward. Simple, familiar, or is it?
And of course, angle isn't just a thing. It's something you can do. It's a verb in action. You can angle a camera, for instance. So far, so good. We're on solid ground here, just reviewing what we all kind of know already. But this is where the path takes a really sharp turn.
So you're probably thinking, okay, it's a noun, it's a verb. What's the big deal? Well, buried in that very same entry, there's one little line that completely changes how you'll look at this word. It's a clue that blows the whole story wide open.
And there it is. Tucked away, almost like an afterthought, you find this sentence. Angle is on the basic English 850 list. Now that might sound like some random bit of trivia, but trust me, it's not. This is the key that unlocks everything.
850. Just let that number sink in for a second. What on earth is this list, and why is a word like angle on it? This right here is where our simple words hidden story really kicks off.
So the basic English 850 list. It was this incredible project back in the 1930s. The goal was to create a simplified version of English with just 850 essential words that could be used for international communication. Think of it like a starter pack for the entire language. And out of hundreds of thousands of words, angle made the cut. Why? Because you can't describe how things are built, how they're made, or how they fit together without it. It's that fundamental.
But the story gets even bigger. Get this, the Wiktionary page for angle isn't just in English. It exists in 68 different languages. 68! This tells you that angle isn't just an English word. It's a truly global concept.
I mean, just look at this. From Arabic to Mandarin, from Spanish to Swahili. The idea of an angle is a piece of knowledge shared all across the world. It's a cornerstone of science, of art, of how we build things. It's one of the basic building blocks we all use to describe the physical world, no matter what language we speak.
And here's the kicker, maybe my favorite part of this whole story. Even a word this important, this fundamental, is still a work in progress. The page itself admits it. It says the entry is incomplete and needs more information. It's this perfect little reminder that language isn't some ancient relic set in stone. It's alive, and it's something that we are all, collectively, still building.
So there you have it. A word we thought was just for math class turns out to be a specially chosen tool for global communication, a concept that connects dozens of cultures, and a story that's still being written by people like us. It really makes you wonder, right? If one simple word has all of this going on, what other amazing stories are hiding in the words we use every single day?